So next, now that we've set up the business rules in the job ledger, we're going to create an invoice. So certainly you'll want to have a system that facilitates your invoices. So this gets your invoices out faster, gets you paid on time. So let's look at the process. So we're going to select projects to bill, and we'll go ahead and pick a period here. We're going to include our prior unbilleds. We're going to bill revenue types of cost plus fixed fee, labor hour, time and materials. So we'll run OK. Let me go ahead and deselect what I have here and give you an example of what data is available for billings. So we'll look at the client on the client level, on the project level, through the task orders. I get to see my timesheets here. I get to see my other direct costs, and I can see that for each and every task order within the system. So if I've determined after taking a quick look at this that this particular project is eligible to be billed, and perhaps this project as well, I will go ahead and bill it. So I've selected everything that is available to be billed for these particular contracts, and I'll save it. So once I've saved my billing selection, I can generate my invoice. So what it's doing now is it's looping through, choosing those items that I've selected to bill, or those contracts I've selected to bill. I'm going to run a process called generate transactional billings, and I'll do it just for a few contracts here, just a small range, and go ahead and create the process that's applying the burdens, that's actually calculating the T&M rates, multiplying the T&M rates by the hours. T&M are time and material billing rates based on the labor categories that we defined previously. And so what the system's doing, it's telling me that the burdens have been completed successfully, they've been applied successfully, and the billings generation is successful as well. So what we're going to do next is we're going to run a familiar form, or a form that's somewhat familiar for DoD contractors in particular. It's the standard form 1034, which is the cover page. But let's take a look at the 1035. So the 1035, again, for the same range that I've selected for billing purposes, we'll go ahead and run the 1035, and there it is, the public voucher. So what you're seeing here is the form that's sometimes required for some contracts. It's not just DoD though. It's they in particular will require it, but also for commercial work as well. Excuse me, civilian work as well. So that is the standard form 1035.